Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get Unshadowbanned on TikTok. So go for your TikTok app. Now go for your profile. First you need to go to here three line option, settings and privacy. Scroll down. Now you have to first free up your cache. So clear it and go back. Now delete the video that you think that that video against community guideline, so delete that video. Okay, now last thing is go for again in this three line option here and go for settings and privacy. Scroll down, go for report a problem. Okay, now now we have to go for account and profile. After that, manage account. I want to make my account secure. Now scroll down, go for no. Now go for need more help. After that, you have to just write here your feedback, and when you are done, you have to just click on this submit. So this is how you can get Unshadow banned on TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.